Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix USB device is not recognized. This is the problem. Then step by step follow to solve this problem. Okay. Then go to the first step for you will insert the USB device for you will return you will get it to get return inside. Okay. You will return inside to this is the error showing to you will come to the first step for update the USB driver. Click to the search bar, search the device manager, click to open, see the universal service bus controller, then open to see the USB AMD USB 3.10, then right click to update driver to you click to set it to get installed. The best driver is already installed it. Okay, you will click to close to go to check the Windows update settings, click to open. You will check the recent updates to check for the USB device control. Anyone update pending to you will get update. Okay. Then update it to you will check this error for maximum device for fix it or not fix it. You will come to the second step for uninstall the USB controller. Okay. Then go to the device manager. You will first of all then right click to disable it to click to yes. After you will return enable it. Okay. Then anyone changes to this is a fix this problem. Okay. Or not solved to you will get click to the update driver to you will browse the my computer drivers. You will click to set it the available drivers. You will anyone available drivers for the USB showing to you will set it to click to next to get installed. Okay. Or finally, you will get right click to uninstall your device. Click to uninstall. After you will get insert the your USB driver to automatically it reinstalled. Okay. Then this is for automatically solve it. Then anyone doubt to pin the comment. Then thank you for watching.